Oklahoma have just pulled over a woman suspected of driving a stolen car.
Okay, place your hands behind your back for me, okay?
What the hell's going on?
Place your hands behind your back.
Sir, please, what is going on?
Okay. It was reported as stolen. Okay, so you're in possession of it.
I didn't know. Please.
Not to mention, your driving status is flagged. So you're not even supposed to be driving, so you're going to jail.
I didn't know.
While they figure out what to do with her, she apparently has other plans.
Yeah.
Watch this move.
What is she doing?
Trying to steal your car.
David 136, suspect just stole my vehicle. It's heading south.
The camera in the stolen police car shows the driver reaching speeds of over 90 miles an hour while handcuffed.
Oh, God, there's another cop.
With several police cars now in hot pursuit,
Oh, God, oh, God.
she heads toward an apartment complex. Then she jumps out of the moving car and makes a run for it.
Where'd she go? Is that her right there? There she is.
Come here now!
Anybody got a cage? She's wiry.
Where's his? Apparently so.
His car is right there.
I told you guys I didn't steal that car.
You just stole a police car.
Now I'm going to jail for over.
You stole a police car in front of 3 police officers.
Now I'm going to jail for something I did.
Well, there we go. Silver linings.
And now 37-year-old Angie Frost is serving 3 years in an Oklahoma prison.